Let's get your Shark AquaReach set up. Your AquaReach comes with the unit, accessories, and instruction booklet. Tools and accessories are meant to be mounted on the side dock, and not all accessories shown are included with every unit. To get started, connect the handle to the wand and slide it into the guide slots until it clicks. Insert the hose into the bottom of the unit until it clicks, then store it using the back clips. Align the side dock with the drying dock, then place the unit on the dock to charge before first use, about 3 hours. AquaReach is designed for sealed hard floors, tile, hardwood, laminate, and vinyl, and is not intended for use on carpets. AquaReach vacuums and mops at the same time for ultimate efficiency. Lift the latch and remove the clean water tank. Fill with cold water to the water line first, then add Shark Hydro Concentrated Cleaning Solution to the concentrate line. Secure the cap and press the tank firmly back in until it clicks. Press the power button. The unit always starts in dry mode. Press again for dry boost. Press the wet-dry toggle for wet mode, which vacuums and mops at the same time, your go-to for everyday cleaning. Press again for wet boost. Extra solution and suction for stuck-on messes. Move slowly. Step on the nozzle and tilt the handle to begin. The LED reveal light highlights hidden dirt. For best edge results, use the nozzle side opposite the light. If an error code appears, please visit our website for the full suite of error codes. After each use, be sure to empty the dirty water tank. Then, the unit can be placed on the dock and a self-rinse cycle can be run.